A very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3, Chapter 14, and the chapter name is Being Good and Being Safe. So in this chapter we will see that how we will be safe, and some rules are there we have to follow. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework, because the holiday homework, project work, the marks will add in your term 1 exam like as well, you know that. So you can complete the homework also which you received on online classes, the objective types and the new words. So please complete it. Please complete it in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. And whenever the school will open, if I want the homework, you have to show me the all homework. And because I have all the records, so it's better that you can complete it, and I just want all the homework. And I hope you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home, and whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that the germs will not present inside your body, and you will be safe from the COVID-19. Because of these virus we can die also. So please protect yourselves from these virus. Don't interact with other persons, don't shake the hands with other persons, just take a distance whenever you are interacting with others. Don't go outside. Please just attend the online classes, eat healthy and stay happy at home. You can enjoy the time with family members. You can do a lots of things. You can like read the books also once the online class will over. You can complete the homework, and you can do whatever you want, but please don't waste the time. Time is like a money. So if you have not completed the work, please complete it at time. And I hope that you has purchased your book. If you don't, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So let's start the chapter, that being good and being safe. It's chapter number 14, page number 74. So let us learn this poem. One poem is there in page number 74, and learn about being safe, that how we can be safe from the danger things. So rules, rules, rules. Oh, why do we have rules? They rule my life, and that I don't like. Rules, rules, and more rules from morning to night. Could I be free from rules just for a day or night? Rules, rules, rules. Oh, why do we have rules? Exactly, like in this poem is there that we have a rules, and we have to follow these rules. Not in the morning, in fact at night also. So that's why we can be safe. So here is what the life is, what it totally depends on the rule, that which rules we should follow. If we can follow some bad rules, then we can just become a bad person. So that's why we should follow some good rules, so that we can become a good person. So that's why the rule is very important for all the persons. Now most of us feel the same way about rules. Exactly, the children, that they should not go there from, like girls they should not go at night anywhere, then boys they should come at home on time. So these are some rules that they think that why the rules are there in my life. But rules are very important. Exactly, rules is what, it's very important. Have you seen what happened when the traffic lights are not working? When suppose that traffic lights are there and it's not working, then have you seen that what happened? Then there is total confusions on the roads. Confusions like the place where we don't know that where we have to go. So that's why rules are there. Traffic is what? It's a rules. It can follow. We have to follow that rules, and it can shows that how we can be safe from the traveling. So that's why the rule is very important. whether on road, in school, at school, and at home, everywhere. It is very important. Rules is very important for all the persons. Try and imagine what happened if all the students in your class tried to get onto the bus together at the same time. Exactly, suppose that one bus is there, a school bus, and all students, they just pushed each other and they just want to go together. They just try to go into a bus together at the same time. Now on that time, what happened? Then yes, there would be a big problem and someone could get hurt. If all the students, they just try to enter the bus at the same time, then it becomes a very big problem, and maybe someone could get hurt and someone get injured also. So for that, should also we have some rules that we should follow, so that no persons will get hurt and injured. Then this is why we need rules. This is why that rule is very important, and we need the rules, that our life become much easier and we will be safe in our life. Try help us to do our work better. Yes, we should they helps us. The rules is what it helps us our work to do in a better way. To do in a better way and be safe by save the life. Without rules, it would be very difficult for people to live together in harmony. So without rules, it is very difficult to live in a harmony, means a state of living together peacefully. So if there is no rules, then everyone will fight with each other. They will not be peaceful place. So that's why we should always have some rules, and we should follow the rules so that we should not get any difficulties, any problems at home or anywhere. So suppose that in school also we have some rules that we have to follow some rules, that we should came at school this time, we have first period, then second period only till this much. So there are some rules are there that we should follow at everywhere. So you have read about early humans. They also followed some rules. In fact, early humans could survive only because they followed rules. So you have learned in the earlier class about the early humans that they also followed some rules. Some rules like that, if means they are going to to hunt, the hunter gatherers, then the ladies are women are there. In a group they just go and they can just collect the roots, the fruits, seeds. So in fact, early humans also survive only because they follow the rules. Only because they just follow the rules. When they settled down in one place, they divided the work. Some of them hunted animals, some of them gathered fruits, and some of take care of children, etc. So after that, they settled in one place, and they just made one place near the river. And then they just divided the work, so that the work which it becomes easier, and we can do much better. So we can store many things, and the people will do many work at the same time. So they just divided the work, they divided like that some people will go in a group, they can hunt the animals. Then some will go in a group, so they can gather the fruits. And someone is they just take care of the child. So these all are the rules the early humans also have followed, so that their life is become much easier and better. Afterwards, when humans started farming and living in villages and towns, more rules were added when needed. After that after that they changed into humans, and then humans started the farming and the living in villages, towns. Then the more rules were added, like the traffic rules. The many more rules are there when they need. So that the rule is this is very important. The rule is what? It is very important for life. It makes our life much better. Now about did you know, and the next topic we will see in the next videos. So please guys watch the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.